sound is this? A. A. A apple. Oh, sorry. A aeroplane. A apple. A alligator. Okay, tell me which sound is this? A. A. Muhammadur Rasulullah. Okay, now tell me. रात को सोने की दवा. रात को सोने की दुआ. अल्लाहुम्मा. ओके नाउ इल्मे इजाफे की दुआ. पहला सॉरी सूरत इखलास. ऑन डोंट मूव. Don't move. Louder. 18. 19. Yes. Yes. 20. Good. 21. 25. 26. 30. 30. Okay, next. 31. 33. 35. 39. 40. On which number is this, bete? What is the story of 5? Mustafa, no. 5 is fat. Yes. Good. Okay, tell me, what is this? Yes. What is the story of 4? 4 is sitting. Yes. On the chair. Okay, tell me, what is this? 2. Good. Which number is this? 3. Okay. Louder, bete. Which number is this? 1. What is the story of 1? 1 is standing. Good. What is this? Yes. What is the story of Alif Badda? Alif ne bulaya. Yes. Very good. Okay, tell me, what is this? Good. Okay, tell me, what is this? Yes, babe. Bebandar. Okay, story. Subhan, no. Be se billi. Okay, tell me, what is this? Pe. Pe se पंखा. Very good. Okay, tell me, what is this? Alif. Alif se Allah. Which number is this? Louder. What is the story of 6? 6 come down. Very good. Okay, tell me which number is this? What is the story of 7? 7 is like a 7 up. Okay, tell me what is this? 5. Okay. What is the story of 5? 5 is fat, wearing a cap. This Jim said. Okay, tell me what is this? किसने हलवा खाया? किससे हैदर ने हलवा खाया? हे से हैदर ने. Okay, tell me what is this? J से on. Which number is this? Good. What is this? 1 to 12. What is this? 6. 1 6. The name? Louder. Who are you? In which class you read? How old are you? Peter, don't move. Don't move. How many days are there in a week? Tell the name of 7 days. Yes. Very good. How many seasons are there in a year? Playgroup. Tell the name of 4 seasons. Okay. Well, how many months are there in a year? What is the name of your school chairman? Sir Javed Iqbal. Which is your favorite food? Okay. What is the color of our national flag? In which city do you live? Okay. Now you tell me, bete. What is the name of your country? Quran. What is the name of our holy book? What is the name of our holy prophet? Holy prophet का name बेटे? हज़रत मोहम्मद. Okay. What is your religion? Where is Allah? Who has made this world? What is the name of your teacher? हैं? हम सबको किसने पैदा किया? हमारा मज़हब क्या है? हमें रिज़्क़ कौन देता है? ये दुनिया किसने बनाई है? हमारे प्यारे नबी सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम का नाम क्या है? हज़रत. हमारे प्यारे नबी सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम के वालिद का नाम बताएं. ओके. हमारे प्यारे नबी सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम के दादा का नाम क्या है? मुस्तफ़ा सिट प्रॉपर्ली. नमाज़ें कितनी हैं? फ़र्ज़ नमाज़ों के नाम बताएं. अल्लाह ताला की आखिरी किताब का नाम क्या है? कुरान पाक किस नबी पर नाज़िल हुआ? लाउडर बेटे. कुरान पाक किस नबी पर नाज़िल हुआ? अल्लाह ताला के घर का क्या नाम है? ओके. खाना खाने से पहले क्या दुआ पढ़नी चाहिए? खाना ख़त्म करने के बाद की दुआ. गुड गो. तस्मिया, पहला कलमा. डोंट मूव ओके। इल्म इजाफे की दुआ। खाना खाने से पहले क्या पढ़ना चाहिए? बिस्मिल्लाह बिस्मिल्लाह बिस्मिल्लाही। ओके। खाना खाने के बाद की दुआ। वेरी गुड। ओके। रात को सोने की दुआ। अल्लाहुम्मा। सूरत इखलास। डोंट मूव बेटे। सूरत इखलास।